Hello everybody, this is Mike Martin, Costa Rica, Punta Arenas, and I thought I'd make a quick video here from our beautiful solar powered swimming pool. This pool is 38,000 liters, which is about 10,000 gallons, and is totally and 100% solar powered. I'm gonna show you this, how it works. You can see this is running right now. And it was overcast all day, and well, the rainy season just started, and it's 2:30 in the afternoon and the pool is running. So here's one of the jets right there. We got another one over here. So the thing has 3 jets and it's pumping. We have 3 solar panels to this. I installed 3 times 300 watts, and they are up here on the roof. Let me see if I can go over here a little bit, and you should be able to see this. And there they are. Yeah. Okay, so the sun is right now on the other side, all the way up here on top of the house. So it's not the perfect condition like it would be perfect at like 11, 12 o'clock in the morning. And well, right now, I mean, you know, it's no matter what, it's running all day. So I'm gonna show you how this is all set up. This is very interesting. We had a power bill here which was about $1,000 at one point, with the air conditions running and stuff, but the pool itself took about $120, maybe $130. So here's the whole setup. There's the original pump, a Hayward, a 1.5, and there's the solar pump. This is a little bit bigger, but yeah, you can see this here. The whole thing is DC powered. There's not much to it. It's a system which is parallel connected to the existing, and basically what it does, it eliminates the original pump. As you can see right now, there's a leaf in there. The pump is not running. I could start it up if I had to, of course, you know, with the normal starter there, and it would run, but no need to. Well, here's something else. This is an ozone injector, so we use very little chemicals in the pool, very little chlorine. Actually, a little bit of chlorine, that's all we need. We have a chlorine injector here as well, but the thing is probably empty because I hardly put anything in there. It's the pool stays extremely clean, as you could see it just now. The pump runs all day. It starts in the morning about at 7 o'clock or something, 6:30, and it starts running. And as you can hear this, I hope, in the video, it's very quiet. So let me shut this down for you for a sec. Solar pump is off now. And I'm gonna close this here and turn on the old one, and you're gonna hear the difference. Now. Right, now there's the original pump. What can I say? Both systems are working. We only need the solar, and we like the solar because it's quiet. And we do not have to, let me turn this off here. Okay, and we do not need to pay for power. Power savings are tremendous. The system was about $3,000, and it paid for itself in maybe, I don't know, 2 years and a half or something. Turn it back on, and there it starts again. This up. Okay, that's all. This is just a valve I turn off, you know, to use the solar or to use the original Hayward. We have good pressure, no issues. What can I say? It works perfect. So let's get out of here again. It's very nice. Again, I give you here to the pool. Pool is very clean. It's very nice. And like I said, the pool runs, I don't know, maybe 8-10 hours a day. It's one of the best things I've done. So it's a direct saving immediately. It saves us what, $1,200–$1,400 a year, something like this. It's 120 times 12. So you make up your own math. It's good. If you're interested in something like this, I can install this. I can install also an ozone injector for you. Basically eliminate the chlorine as well. Give me a call. It's Mike, Costa Rica, 8707-0296. And this is scalable, of course, you know, so we can do this for any size of pool. 10,000 liters, a little jacuzzi, a normal size pool, something like this, a big pool, a lap pool, it doesn't really matter. It works everywhere and it works all the time. And to us, this is perfect scenario. Give me a call, 8707, and maybe a like or even a subscribe, you know, to the video, and I'm gonna post more interesting stuff, things I can do. Also, I just did one about the solar, not a solar, for the air condition, a system EcoSense, where the air condition turns off when there's no people in the house. So this here is an Airbnb, it's our Airbnb, and we rent this out. And it's a very nice place, by the way. And so people, they stay here, and of course they abuse the air condition. To be exact, they abuse the shit out of the air condition. And now I installed a system, so the thing will only run when actually the people, our guests, are in their room. So here's a view from the property. We just got here, we cleaned up a little bit. It's a little bit messy, but I think you get the idea, and this is how it looks like. This is very, very nice. And yeah, like I said, we're in Punta Arenas, Costa Rica, and this is a spectacular view. All right, thank you very much for watching, and subscribe and like the thing. Thank you.